Just been a little bit sloppy in other areas. Four hands have found the net. Strayed wide. No rhythm yet. Number 5 seed. Heather Watson will have to find a rhythm fairly quickly. She needs now to hold serve here, then break dart, or else 5 seed will be a set down. After extensive lead, 5 games to 3 in this opening set.